Good evening, everyone. Got a unit here that has the air gap code for wheel speed sensor. This one's showing the right rear sensor, air gap too large. So we're going to go ahead and check that out. So the first thing I'll do is have a look at that speed sensor. And I'm going to the wheel that is throwing the code, which is the right rear. As you can see, that speed sensor is there. I don't see any sign of it pushing out, but I will try to knock it in. Grab a pry bar and a little hammer, just try to knock that in and see if it has kind of came out. And then go on a road test to see if it pushes it back out again. So the things that would cause that to come out would be either an improperly installed tone ring or possibly rust jacking within the hub, kind of pushing out the tone ring and causing the sensor to pop out. Or it could be just a loose sensor, which this is pretty tight. So I'm going to go ahead and try to knock it in with a pry bar. Okay, so I knocked that sensor back in. And it was kind of moved out a little bit. So what I'll do first before I go on a road test is jack the truck up. So I just got this wheel jacked up. I'm just going to check for any bearing play. I've already checked it. This one has no bearing play. Check to see if you got any movement in the hub. None. So then what I'll do is I'll spin the wheel and I'll knock the sensor back in. Then I'll set the camera up kind of in a way where we could see the sensor. And I'll spin the wheel and we'll see if the sensor gets pushed out. If it does, then that means we have a either bent tone ring, or yeah, it's rust jacked or improperly installed. Well, from the video, yeah, we can see that the sensor got pushed out a bit. So I knocked it back in and spun it again, and yet got pushed out again. So the issue is definitely with the hub or the tone ring. So this whole wheel assembly is gonna have to come off, and we'll have to find out what's going on there. But just looking at the age of this truck and kind of how this thing looks, I'm sure it's probably rust jacked. So we'll have to remove the wheel end. Okay, we got the hub off here, and as you can see, the tone ring on this side is good, but over here it's actually lifted up. There's a nice gap under there, so this is definitely rust jacked. You can tell by how rusty the rotor is here, but yeah, this thing will need a new rotor, because that right there is pushing up this tone ring. You can even see the sensor where it's scraping, as opposed to all this other area that's clean. Right there you can see where the sensor is scraping. So yeah, this wheel gap code is caused by rust jacking of the tone ring, pushing it out and then ultimately pushing the sensor out so it doesn't pick up these, only this. And that's it.